Today we're going to talk about the layers of Earth and how those layers of Earth are composed. We're first going to identify the layers of Earth and then talk about what those layers of Earth are made of. So first let's identify the layers of Earth. The layers of Earth are going to be divided into four main categories. The inner core, okay, so the innermost core, the very center portion, the outer core, which is a layer on top of that. So the core is made of the inner and outer core, and then the mantle and the crust. So we're going to talk about their composition, and a composition is what a substance is made of. So we're going to take a look at that. Let's first look at the crust. The crust is going to be like the skin on your body or the skin of an apple. It's very thin compared to the other three layers. Basically, our Earth's crust is what we walk on when we're outside. Okay, the crust of the Earth is broken into many pieces. Those pieces are called plates. And we're going to talk about the plates in more detail a little bit later. But we're going to focus more on those layers for the next couple of days. Next is our mantle. The mantle is pictured in red on the screen. The mantle is the layer below the crust. It takes a long time for us to dig to get to the mantle. The mantle is going to be the largest layer of the Earth. The mantle is divided into two regions. Those regions are going to be the upper and lower sections. And we'll talk a little bit about those later. Also, the mantle is going to be going to contain convection currents, which we'll go into more detail later. The outer core is like a ball. It's very, very, very hot. And the outer core is going to be liquid. The outer core is made of iron. It's very dense. It's on the outside of the inner core. So let's next look at the inner core. The inner core of Earth is very, very hot. It has temperature and pressure so great that the metals are squeezed together and are not able to move. The inner core, we believe, is solid. Okay, so we'll take a look at those things in more detail later.